Venus is tilted minus 3 degree on its own axis, the way Earth is tilted 23 degree. So minus 3 degree it is tilted. Now, but Venus rotates east to west, so it is opposite to the way Earth rotates. So if Earth rotates west to east, then Venus rotates east to west. Okay, so Venus rotates other way. So Venus morning is on west, means Venus sunrise is on west and sunset is on east. Okay, because its rotation is opposite to the Earth. Okay, and it is tilted minus 3 degree on its axis. Now, idea is that we compare everything from Earth. So the way Earth rotates, like 24 hours a day, and how many Earth days, like that. So to get that, we would tilt Venus axis by 180 degree. So we are tilting Venus axis by 180 degree. Now we can see the rotation of the Venus is happening the way Earth is rotating, means west to east. Okay, if we rotate 180 degree, now Venus is rotated 180 plus minus 3, that is 177 degree. If Venus is rotated 177 degree upside down, then Venus also looks the way Earth is rotating. So this is how we compare everything from the Earth's perspective. So from Earth's perspective, Venus and Earth both are rotating the way it should be. But Venus is upside down now. So up is bottom and bottom is up. So in this fashion again, Venus is, sunset is on east and sunrise is on west. Okay, so if Venus is rotated 177 degree, the way Earth is rotated 23 degree, then it looks better. Now they are in a same shape. Okay, so Venus is not rotating retrograde to the Earth. It is rotating the way Earth is rotating, but it is upside down and tilted 177 degree. So we can say from the Earth's perspective, the way we say Earth days, Earth year, Earth hours. So Venus is tilted 177 degree.